What if I told you the biggest AI productivity shift of 2026 just dropped, and it's going to completely rewrite the rules for how you work? Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're breaking down a massive update that is literally going to fundamentally change your daily workflow. Things are moving fast, so let's just jump right in.
Okay, here is the absolute bombshell of the day. Google just quietly killed NotebookLM. Yep, you heard me right. The tool that so many of us relied on to summarize documents, it's gone. But hey, don't panic, because what they replaced it with is going to absolutely blow your mind. If you work with information, data, or content in any capacity, you cannot afford to ignore this.
Google has officially transformed NotebookLM into Gemini Notebook. And let me be super clear here. This isn't just some fresh coat of paint or a simple rebrand. Google is pulling this tool right into the core Gemini ecosystem. So what does that actually mean for you? Well, it means faster updates, smarter reasoning, and way larger context windows. You aren't just talking to a standard chatbot anymore. You are building a personal AI workspace. This new system remembers your uploaded sources, understands the deep connections between them, and, get this, actually helps you think through complex problems.
All right, let's look at beat one, the new era of data and trust.
So here's the situation. You've got massive amounts of data to process, but manual analysis in Excel takes hours, right? And historically, trusting an AI to just do the math for you was a huge gamble, because its logic was totally hidden. So Google introduced something incredible: native Python execution and live reasoning chains. Gemini Notebook can now write and execute Python code right inside a secure cloud environment.
Imagine you're a financial analyst. You upload this massive CSV file with thousands of sales records. Now, you don't need to know a single line of code or install complex software like Jupyter Notebooks. You just tell it, analyze this dataset. Boom. Instantly, it cleans the data, it finds the trends, builds the visualizations, and computes complex statistics. It even explains what the numbers actually mean. It's effectively a secure, cloud-based data analyst sitting right there on your desktop.
And this brilliant upgrade solves the biggest complaint we all have about AI, the dreaded black box problem. When you ask a complex question now, you don't just get a sudden magical answer. You get a live reasoning chain. You actually watch the AI step by step as it examines your documents, compares the facts, resolves contradictions, connects the information, and finally builds its conclusion. For researchers, journalists, really any professional, this permanently solves the problem of trust. You are no longer guessing how the AI reached its answer.
Moving on to beat two, transforming content consumption.
We all face this conflict, right? Reading hundreds of pages of research is absolutely exhausting, but listening to static, passive AI summaries is just kind of boring and easy to tune out. So, Google introduced fully interactive podcasts and instant, highly stylized visual infographics. They're literally turning your dense text into dynamic, engaging media.
Remember those viral AI podcast summaries? Well, they just got a massive brain upgrade. Instead of passively listening, you can join the conversation midstream. Imagine listening to two AI hosts discussing a dense research paper. You can literally interrupt them and say, "Wait, hold on, explain that in simpler language." And the hosts instantly pause, answer your specific question, and then naturally continue their discussion. You can force them to debate differing viewpoints, focused entirely on a single chapter, or just get concepts explained to you like you're 5 years old. It is exactly like sitting in your own private podcast studio.
But what if you're a visual learner? Well, giant paragraphs are a thing of the past. Gemini Notebook instantly transforms dense information into beautiful infographics. You can generate professional and scientific visuals for your next board meeting, or pivot to sketch notes, bento grids, editorial styles, or even clay, anime, and kawaii styles for more creative projects. Because, let's be real, sometimes the only way to understand quantum physics is to have a cute anime character explain it to you. It's absolutely perfect for studying, teaching, or sharing complex info online without losing your audience's attention.
Okay, let's jump into beat three, the agentic workspace.
Here is the final conflict we deal with daily. AI chats are incredibly helpful for brainstorming, but at the end of the day, you still have to manually copy, paste, and format all that text into a final product. And honestly, it's tedious. So Gemini Notebook now skips that step entirely by generating real, downloadable files and auto-syncing seamlessly with your Google Drive. NotebookLM used to just spit out text, right? But Gemini Notebook builds the finished product for you. Need a PowerPoint presentation for tomorrow morning? Done. A polished PDF report? Done. Excel spreadsheets, CSV files, JSON data for your developers, formatted charts? Done, done, and done. By completely skipping that copy-paste phase, you are saving hours of manual formatting work every single week. It is a staggering level of productivity.
And somehow it gets even better, because the AI now acts as an active agent. Instead of waiting around for you to manually upload a dozen PDFs, you just give it a rough topic, like, say, the future of AI in healthcare. The AI immediately suggests relevant sources, organizes the information, categorizes the subtopics, and builds a structured knowledge base for you right from scratch. You aren't starting from a blank page anymore. You're starting with a fully AI-organized research library.
And hey, let's not overlook this incredibly underrated feature. Gemini Notebook now features automatic Google Drive syncing. In the past, if you updated a Google Doc, you had to re-upload it to the AI. Not anymore. Your workspace updates the exact second your original files change. Everything stays perfectly synchronized with zero extra effort on your part. That is going to save you massive amounts of time on those ongoing long-term projects.
Which brings us to the future of your work.
Let's take a second to review the epic scope of what we've just covered. Gemini Notebook is no longer just a chatbot or a simple text summarizer. It is a highly intelligent research partner. It thinks and reasons logically right in front of your eyes. It runs secure Python code to act as your personal data analyst. It generates complete presentations and reports. It hosts interactive podcasts that you can actually talk to, and it builds your research libraries automatically. This is, without a doubt, one of the smartest productivity tools Google has ever released, and it's totally poised to become the new default workspace for professionals everywhere.
Now, I want to turn this over to you. Which of these new features impressed you the most? Are you hyped about the native Python coding, the live reasoning chains, the interactive podcasts, or maybe that instant file generation? I want you to leave your specific answer in the comments right now. As AI transforms from just a simple chatbot into an active, thinking agent sitting right on your desktop, the only question left is, how much of your old workflow are you willing to let go of? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I will see you on the next one.